Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can learn about different ingredients on SideChef. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that click on the search button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down and you can see the explore your favorite ingredients section. Learn more about the ingredients you cook with, and here you can see a list of ingredients. And then if you click on that, here you can see information about this ingredient, selection, storage, clever uses, food science, cooking tips, health benefits. So it's really important, and it's really helpful. If you do not know one of the ingredients, then you can check it. So, and you can learn a whole bunch of stuff and interesting facts about different ingredients. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.